Ito yung mga favorite ng mga locals to shop for pasalubong. Mga package alawaan na dinapalit. Di kompletong balikbayan box kung walang Irish Spring. Nasa 600 plus lang guys. Tapos 20 bars. This is traveling like a local. Ang saya. Ganito sila mag-shop ng for balikbayan. For balikbayan box ininanang. Good morning guys from Virginia. Kapag talaga naisip ko yung Virginia. Country road. Ang taas. Country road. Take me home to the place where I belong. Kumanta, West Virginia. Nag-enjoy. Pero wala tayo sa West Virginia guys. Nasa North Virginia tayo. So yeah, ang saya no. Nakatulog tayo ng maayos dito sa ating... Nakita nyo naman yung ano natin, yung accommodation natin. Okay din naman yung accommodation natin sa New York single bed. Pero my gosh, this one is giving 5-star hotel. Pinagandaan talaga tayo ng Nanang Debbie ko. Nanang is an auntie. So Nanang, it's what I term, that's how we call our titas in Samar, in Lawaan. Eldest sibling si Nang Debbie ng papa ko. Ayun, so meron siyang collection ng mga roosters na figurine kasi after daw my father died in 2022, namili talaga siya ng mga rooster that will remind her of my father. So nakakatuwa, nakarating tayo dito guys. So di ko in-expect na this soon makakarating ako dito sa bahay nila in Virginia. Kahit ngayon hindi ako makapaniwala na nandito ako. Thank you Nanang. Salamat, ayan. Mamaya, flight na natin to Mexico. So, tinatry ko mag-check-in. Hindi ako makapag-check-in. So, sa airport na lang. Chinat ko yung Delta Air na parang partner ng Aeromexico. Aeromexico talaga yung flight natin. Ang ganda. Ganda ng room. Salamat po Nanang. Pinagandaan talaga nila. So, this is not just a 5-star hotel experience, but more. 10-star? 11? 1,000 star? Kapag nagpapabook sila ng flight sa akin. Tinatype ko lang yung address nila. Tapos, totoong lugar siya. Kakatuwa to be reunited here in the, United States of America. Na last day din natin today. Pero babalik din naman tayo for our business trip. Tapos, grabe yung lagari natin kahapon. From New York, maaga pa tayo, 5 a.m. to Washington DC, nag-tour pa tayo. Tapos, Virginia finally sa gabi. Grabe yung isang araw, guys. Hindi naman siya super nakakapagod kasi train lang naman. Pero kung isipin ko, nagawa ko yun. Nagawa ko siya. Parang ito yung mga moments na nafe-feel natin yung growth na kaya pala natin siya. Nakakatapang yung mag-DIY tapos solo traveler kayo. Waking up with this. Paano to? Pero gusto ko pakita yung view. So this is the village guys. Ito yung subdivision nila. Diba? It's very white. Christmas. I give you my heart. Very next day, you give it away. Charing. Share ko lang, kapag magdi-DIY kayo at magko-commute kayo, iba talaga yung nagagawa ng research, guys. Yung booking nyo din prior to your trip. Kasi yung Amtrak ko, binook ko yun like early, like 1 month early or weeks early. Kaya nakamura tayo. So, okay, mag-research kayo sa mga pinupuntahan ninyo, lalo na pag naka-DIY kayo. It save your, kesa sa on the day na kayo mismo magso-search. And nasa kwarto tayo ng pinsan ko. Ayan. Nakakatuwa. Nag-work siya sa YouTube before. Hi, Nanang. Your village is so beautiful. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
It's peaceful.
Yeah, very peaceful. Aesthetic. That's the backyard.
Yes.
Oh, okay. There's another rooster here. Oh,
Your-
lots of
your lawn is
roosters.
just crazy.
Yes, dedicated for my father.
Is a fire pit, gas fire pit. It's beautiful, but it's all snow covered now.
My angel.
And then you can see the other bird feeder. That's
Bird
regular
feeder.
bird seed.
So that is a bird feeder.
Yes, and then the black one is for what they call thistle. Those are for tiny birds.
For tiny birds.
Yeah.
The birds are beautiful here.
Yeah, see up there, the one on the rail.
Yeah.
They're up there.
Doves.
They're not coming here now because they see us.
Look at the snow.
Oh my
That's a lot of
gosh.
water, Dave.
And that was all from just one day of snow.
Uh-oh.
Sometimes it snows for 2-3 days.
Mm,
And then it's a real mess.
yeah. Yes, I am
She's
filming.
still very. You can talk. But
Yeah, it's okay.
Can I talk?
Yes, yes.
So we went to visit Auntie Pat, and we came back. There was 3 feet of snow.
3 feet! Oh
My
my
neighbor
gosh.
shoveled a path
for the
to our door.
So this car can drive itself? I mean, alone?
Alone, you can actually not have your hands on the wheel.
So the parking here is free.
Yeah, there's something. When you go in DC or
Ah.
any of the big cities, parking is expensive.
Expensive, but here in your area, it's
This
free.
area, it's all free. You're out in the suburbs now, right?
Okay.
They used to have meters where you put money in. They still have some in DC, and now they're
It
down.
closed.
Called Blackfin, a fish restaurant, but see, it went out of business.
They closed down.
Economy went all to hell, and so they just go out of business.
That's
This
so
place
sad.
has managed to stay open,
Yeah.
doing just, it says like breakfast from 7 to 3.
7 to 3 only.
Yeah, yeah, and they still make good money.
Kakain tayo dito guys for breakfast. Good morning! The staff here are always friendly. Ganda guys dito. It's very US. This is their menu. Amazing, may calorie count. It's normal here, like they show the calorie.
Yeah, I think it actually became, in some states, it's a requirement.
Requirement. Okay. Our chocolate. Hot chocolate, yes, with whipped cream. It's hot.
boy,
If there's a whipped cream, do we mix it or no?
you don't have to.
I don't have
Yeah,
to.
leave it like that.
Ito yung
I want the same thing.
ito yung vibe dito, American style of breakfast.
What if they said it's better here? No, we're gonna go to Costco.
They give free
They give
food in
samples.
Costco.
Samples, but sometimes she stops to get gas and she goes in just to get the food.
I need to get gas.
That's a good kuripot or budget tip.
When your Auntie Pat was here, she was surprised that they give you a water and a bread. Because in Germany, in Europe, when you eat, they don't give you anything free.
Oh,
But down
okay.
here, they give you a water and they give. Last night we have some of these chips.
That's the normal restaurant here. They
Yeah.
usually
Yeah.
because in the Philippines we get that, but if it's a high-end restaurant, if it's an expensive one, usually they give complimentary.
Yeah.
Thank you. So in Germany they don't do that.
No, they don't do it in Europe.
In Europe,
Maybe they've changed. Let's go. We used to go all the time when Pat was there.
how many hours flight?
From here to Germany,
Yeah.
6.
8 to 9,
Eight
8
to
hours, 9 hours.
And it's free for you
Yeah.
because my aunt is working in an airline. She's a boss there, so they get the flights for free. Our famous hash has arrived. So the hash is corned beef. Let's
Oh, look
eat.
at the syrup. It's even hot.
Spoon, they don't really provide spoon, right? It's Valentine's already tomorrow. Tapos lang natin kumain. Thank you. Nag-take out tayo guys ng donut. Eto. Dali natin to sa Mexico. Alright. What a nice neighborhood. So you're all friends with your neighbors. They are
Most
nice.
of them. Some of them don't come out much.
They used to hang out in our backyard.
Before when we
that's
first
nice.
moved in, we were friends with virtually everybody.
Alright. Now we're leaving your house, your village.
You're building a village.
Grabe. That was very quick, but
Quick and sweet.
quick and sweet, yes. Fruitful, meaningful,
Anong donut?
warm. Adi na ng tak donut.
Sa mga is not.
Yes. Pinadalan ako ng maraming snack. So di tayo magutom. Abot pa to hanggang Florida. Nice walking area. It's laid back.
Very laid back, and we have a woods here.
Yes.
We go for a walk. We saved that woods, like a parang forest right here.
Yeah.
That's for walking and hiking, right in there. Puro kahoy, puro woods.
And actually famous yung Ashburn for their data centers. So ito mga data centers ini.
They're building. There's more here.
Okay.
That's why they have their own electric power grid.
That's their own electric power for this
For all this data center.
data center.
Correct.
Is there a mountain? Like may mountain ba
May
nearby?
mga mountain din pero marami.
Hirayo. Another power grid. Wala daw magnanakaw dito guys. Zero crime rate na nang. Ang zero crime rate. Ngayon papasok tayo. Talaga?
No, I always lock my
Ah, you always lock your car.
hardly lock my car.
Okay, pasok tayo sa Trader Joe's guys. Ito yung favorite kong shopping spot sa Sa New York nung nagpunta tayo kasi organic tas mura yung mga chocolate. Magva-Valentine's na. So may mga flowers. Every week ka bumibili. Ah, yeah, flowers. Happy Valentine's. Ito lang, supermarket view. Dragon fruit.
$1.49.
Mahal.
Yes.
And then mga chocolates ng mga pampasalubong. Yung mga chocolates. At tapos na ako pumalit. Then na ako pumalit. Mini chocolate hearts, $3. Lots of organic stuff na pwede ninyong mabili. And cheaper prices. Parang ang babait ng mga tao dito. Laging tinatanong, how are you? Bis na di magkakilala, ano?
No.
That's the greeting, how are you? Okay. Ito pa, another village.
Mga townhouses naman ini.
Townhouses. Condominiums. Self-service. The gasoline. And that's Costco. The famous wholesale. Parang SNR Landers yan. So, $29.14 yung gas.
Yeah, 9 gallons.
9 gallons. Compute nyo na lang. Yung final stop natin, guys. So, this is a supermarket tour. Costco Wholesale. Favorite ng mga locals to shop for pasalubong. Diba? Mga package sa lawaan na din napalit. So, you have to scan your membership card para makapasok. So, kung may kamag-anak kayong member ng Costco, almost everyone is a member ng Costco. Ano? Yeah, everything is here. So, may electronics, may food, may flowers because it's Valentine's tomorrow. Hardware, may mga foam pa nga. May mga foam pa nga ata. Guys, $199 USD. Yun na yung mura, $199 USD. So, mga 119 USD. So, mga 5,000, basta more than 5,000 yan. Ito, mura na to. Nasa 80. 80 yung watch. So, around 4,000 plus. Kinonvert. May furniture gihap.
Mga bado, yato dito.
May mga damit din, guys. 12.99. So, nasa 700 plus, guys. Yung 12.99 or 13. 700 plus. Dami dito sa Costco, guys. Samut-sari. May mga chocolate nga doon kanina, mga M&M. Yung mga pampasalubong talaga ng mga pagkain. Ay, what's this?
Pagkain.
Pagkain. Sige, may free taste. May mga sample dito. Kung gutom kayo, free taste is key. Charing. Pang Valentine's. Is this a lobster? Uy, lobster. Shrimp. Salmon? Salmon, guys, oh. Chocolate. Mga 1,200 pesos. Mura na daw yan. 1-2. Ito yung favorite. Kirkland. Ready to eat food. Puro tissue. Sparkling water. Taray. Lakas maka-Europe. Sparkling water. Sausages. So around 500 plus yan. 500 to 600. Ito for Valentine's. Macarons.
French macarons.
So mga 500 to. 400 to 500.
500 ito?
Okay, 9.69, di ba?
Yeah, plus tax.
Plus tax pa. Ito guys, nakasil yung wine. Mga 350 siguro to. 350 pesos. Tama bang mat ko? Mapal ka na lang on the spot. Kasi nakasil. Dito naman guys, mga kape. Mga pinampabalik-bayan box. Ito mga pang pets. Ayan, wine. Napag-shopping tayo bigla guys. This is traveling like a local. Ang saya. Ganito sila mag-shop ng for balikbayan. For balikbayan box ininanang. February pa lang, Pasko na agad sinanang. Early talaga. Early ka babay ng mga pambalikbayan box. So it takes like 4 months para dumating yung package from here sa US papuntang Pilipinas. Ganun katagal. 4 months. Di kompletong balikbayan box kung walang Irish Spring. Nasa 600 plus lang guys. Tapos 20 bars. Okay? Sa Costco namimili ang ating mga titang balikbayan. Ano na lang? Ay wow, yan yung matiya gamit.
Shower gel.
Wow, ang lola ko naman. Naka-Neutrogena. $13.
At yung mga diaper dito.
May diapers din.
Nakakita pala yung mga diaper dito.
Alright. May adult diapers for our grandparents. Alright, we're falling in line now, guys. So, meron din naman ditong self-checkout. Maida, oo. Pero tayo nakapila tayo dito sa may nag-a-assist. Yes. So, ayun. Dami dito, guys. Samot-saring samot-saring bilihin. Lahat ng categories nandito. From furniture, jewelry, electronics, computer. Pati computer na lang. Wow. Food, wine, yung mga isda-isda. Nandito silang lahat. Mga cosmetics. Another popular guys na shopping area, shopping spot, Macy's. Pero mabilis lang tayo dito. Tapos yung airport nandun na ng kabila? Okay. Sige. Mga naka-sale ngayon guys. Maybe I'll look some in Fort Lauderdale. Baka may mabili ako.
Fort Lauderdale, mga panig dito.
For myself naman.
Ayan na.
Mga naka-sale, Michael Kors. 175. May mga jewelry din dito. Sandals. Pero kung magsha-shopping daw talaga sa outlet malls, ito medyo hindi siya yung pinakamura na option yung Macy's. Mga perfume, 20% off. Estee Lauder. Paano ba yan i-pronounce? Pangregalo sa mga jowa-jowa. Oo. Gucci. Kanina may nakita tayong Prada. Uy, Burberry. Dior, Jimmy Choo. Share ko lang, nandun kami sa Hong Kong, guys. Pumasok kami sa isang Burberry. Tinignan namin yung coat doon. Nasa 100 plus thousand yung isang coat. Ganun siya kamahal. Ito, guys, yung Macy's. Ayan, dami pang shop sa taas. Wala sila masyadong high-rise buildings. Wala nga akong nakitang high-rise building dito sa Ashburn, Virginia. Puro low. Daming naka-sale. Saan una nang pinaka nagsisale? Mga end season?
Yeah, end of the season.
End of the season na ba yan, Nanang?
Winter,
End of the season.
mga fruit,
Kaya,
60% na.
naka 60% off kasi end of the season sale na sila ng winter. Yun, napaka-productive po ng ating araw. Di pa nga tayo nagti 3 hours mula nung umalis tayo. Ang dami natin ginawa. And look, the sun is shining. I love the weather. Not too cold. Sakto lang. Nakalive kaya na lang? Oh my gosh. For this? Thank you so much. Pero kakulop sa mulod ka. Yeah. Such a nice day. Hindi nga nag-one day dito. Almost.
Not even 24 hours.
Not even 24 hours. But feels productive. It's 12 noon na ngayon yan na Ayun. Guys, may airport na tayo.
Kasi malapit daw lang.
Oo, super near. I love Virginia.
Everything, if you live in this area, that's why we don't move. Because this is my hub. Pag nauli ka sa Pilipinas, sahani ka din here. Go from here to San Francisco.
We're going to Mexico. Nandito na tayo guys sa Dulles Airport. Ganun yung pronunciation ng tita ko sa kanya, Dulles Airport. Dito siya nagtatrabaho, isa siyang manager in one of the famous airlines here. Kaya gamay na itong airport na to. So malapit lang yung bahay nila dito. So my heart is so full. Ilang oras lang, di tayo nag 24 hours dito guys sa Virginia. So 9 p.m. tayo dumating kagabi. Tapos anong oras na ngayon? 12:40 hanggang 3:45 yung flight natin. I-compute nyo na lang. Pero hindi tayo nag 24 hours dito. Pero punong-puno, sabi pa nung tita ko, ng Debbie, punong-puno yung yung araw natin. It's short but it's sweet yung time natin dito sa Virginia. We really felt the hospitality of my family. Thank you so much ng Debbie. Kung papanoorin mo man to, maraming salamat. Damo nga salamat. And Uncle Jerry, my gosh. Wala. Ang heartwarming sa feeling na we were treated so well by our tita and tito, uncle and auntie dito sa Virginia. So expectation ko lang talaga tutulog lang tayo sa bahay nila, doon tayo sa bahay nila, but they toured me like around. Favorite part ko talaga yung napag-shopping tayo on the spot sa Costco. Yun. Alis tayo ng US, pero babalik din tayo guys sa Sunday. So today is Thursday. No, it's Thursday today. Babalik tayo ng Sunday for our official business trip na. Yung business trip natin ay nasa Florida, but nasa Florida, but I decided na mauna sa mga katrabaho ko para mag-explore ng New York, Washington DC, and sinama na rin natin yung Washington DC and Virginia. Di ko kasi alam dati na malapit lang yung na kayang i-train yung New York to Washington DC and then Washington DC to here, Virginia, kung nasaan yung tita ko. Yun. Di ko akalain makapunta tayo dito at makakasama yung tita natin here in their home in Virginia. So my heart is so full. Thank you so much guys sa pagsama sa atin. Sana nadala ko kayo kahit papaano sa isang suburb dito sa US, hindi yung major city. But it's a nice suburb. Nakita nyo naman, lalo na yung village. This is Dave guys, the Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!